Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Piña Verde. Hey everyone, welcome to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Piña Colada was invented over 50 years ago, and to this day, bartenders usually hate it. Unless you're at a resort somewhere on a beach and they have the blender ready to go, or maybe it's already pre-frozen, every bartender hates when you ask for Piña Colada. They'll usually tell you the blender's broken. Here's a secret, it's probably not actually broken. Rum though, it's out. We don't want a rum Piña Colada. Let's instead go with the trendy, delicious, herbaceous liqueur Green Chartreuse. This stuff is very hard to find. It's gotten very expensive. We featured a few other cocktails before, and what's also great about it is it's green. And this is around St. Patrick's Day episode for us, so we're gonna show you how to make the Piña Verde. Verde, I believe, meaning green in Spanish. My editor can double check me on that. So let's go ahead, guys, and show you how this one is made. So we're gonna use 1.5 ounces. We have a shaker here of ice, 1.5 ounces of our Green Chartreuse. This is our only spirit in this one. 1.5 ounces of that. We have 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Got the Simply Pineapple stuff here. It's usually pretty delicious. 1.5 ounces of that. That's kind of our Piña Colada fruity element to it. We have 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Now the limes didn't look the best. They're little tiny ones we have around here locally right now. In Pennsylvania, it's winter, or the end of winter at least. So let's see if I can get some juice out of these little tiny guys. There we go. 1/2 ounce of that. And then 3/4 ounce of coconut, cream of coconut. This stuff out of the squeeze bottle, it's so much easier to use. Go ahead and give that a shake. It's super thick, has a consistency of something I'm not gonna say. We're gonna use 3/4 ounce of that. Also hard to get out. 3/4 ounce of that, there we go. Yeah, she's thick. All right, it's good enough there. Go ahead and pop our cap on and shake this vigorously. All right, for our glass for this one, we're gonna use a rocks glass. I love these glasses, I've used them before. We'll link in the bio where I bought them from, Great Whiskey Challenge. They spin, how cool is that? The recipe also calls for pebble ice. I have crushed ice. I'm not even sure where we get pebble ice from, but this should work just fine. Look at the cool little green color in that. It smells delicious. It's got some pineapple in there. You smell the coconut. Like I said, Green Chartreuse is very herbaceous. Ooh, perfect pour there. Usually you would garnish this with a sprig of mint. My mint garden is long since dead. We'll have that here again here in a few months once the weather warms up. But let's go ahead and give the Piña Verde a try. Cheers. Ooh, smells delicious. First time I've ever had this drink. Sometimes I have to be honest with you when I don't try a drink, and I gotta tell you, this is freaking delicious. That is awesome, wow. Really enjoy that, guys. Next time you're out, look first if they have Green Chartreuse. It's a hard ingredient to find. Even some cocktail bars you're not gonna find it. If you see a bottle of Green Chartreuse, ask the bartender to make you a Piña Verde. I promise you won't regret it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, like the video. We'll see you soon. Cheers.